Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and today I'm going to bring you an adventure. So there is a brand new park, and it is located near the Boerner Botanical Gardens. There is a new children's area, and it's called Margie's Garden. It's about a 2-acre garden, and it's set for children. It is so cool. It's behind the Education and Visitors Center. So basically you pull into the gardens, there's a beautiful place where they hold weddings indoors all the time. It's right behind that. So the project itself, it was funded by private donations, and it just opened today. So it's a garden theme with an enchanted village. There's playhouses, there's like huts, mushroom chairs, there's bugs that are interactive, friendly sculptures. There's a couple of slides for the kids. There's even a stage where they could have characters, or I picture that they could have fairies or something. It's really beautiful. I will put the link down below so that you can go ahead and take a look if you have time. The coolest part about it is that it is absolutely free. So if you have little kids, this is such a cool, fun, beautiful area. You can see everything is landscaped gorgeous. And it's just a whole big area where the kids can play, and you can teach them to respect the plants, and it was so much fun. And like I said, the coolest part, it was free. Now I imagine that down the road they'll offer like a donation kind of thing, which to be honest, I would have put in some money for it because my kids just loved it. It was so pretty and so cool. And so I thought, you know what, I want to film this so that you can take a look at it. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn, and we love to do adventures around where we live in Wisconsin. I think that there is a ton to share here, so I love being able to do that. I also enjoy being able to share my art and crafts, so be sure to subscribe to our channel. And all that does is just remind you of a new video when it shows up, so there's no cost or anything. It is so beautiful. And the other thing that I loved is there's one entrance, one exit. So you don't have to worry if your kids wander around. You know, did they get away? Are they wandering? They can't get back out. They have to go the same way. And again, this just opened today. Today is July 9th. So this is brand new. This is, like I said, this one is the free. You can get into this anytime. If you go on the other side of the park, so literally if you're walking down like a road, to the right is this beautiful children's garden, to the left is the paid garden, and I'll be really honest, both are absolutely amazing. And these sculptures, they were huge. Like, I'm 5'10", and you can see I was still looking up to them. So it almost had like a, how can I describe it, like an Alice in Wonderland kind of feel. And all of the flowers were just beautiful and full of color, and so it was fun with the kids to kind of wander around and ask them with different colors, different letters, you know, because you'll see in a moment there's a whole number area. There's another area where it's all the ABCs, and it was really fun. And like I said, it was just beautiful. It was pristine. I mean, I know it's brand new, and that obviously helps, but it really was such a fun space. And typically with my kids, it's one of those where I'll be like, okay guys, we got to be careful around these flowers. And they planted hardy plants, and I felt really confident in letting them play. And by the end, my kids were watching for all the flowers. They didn't step on them, which was so cool. This little bridge, at first we were kind of like, what is this? But when you follow it up and around to the right, there's actually a slide that the kids can play on, and then there's another slide below that. And the best part is just beyond this, if you look over there, you can see that big grassy area. You can follow that, and it's a trail that you can walk throughout all of the woods. So the closest big landmark that I can think of that would make sense is if I said this is near Southridge, 76th Street. It's just a little bit to the west of that. They do a lot of beer gardens down in the park more, but still in this area. But super easy to get to, tons of parking. You can see, look, there's cute little slides for the kids. And it's so colorful. And I'm so happy that my camera picked up how beautiful the color really is, because it's gorgeous. And you can see there's still, putting down a ton of grass, which is cool because I can't wait to see how this all fills in over the summer. And they haven't said if this is going to be open year round or if this is just a summer seasonal thing, just because it is that brand new. And this whole section was just, you can see the ground below. Look at his face, it was so cute. It's all squishy bugs, and when you walk on it, it kind of sinks in. So it has that like squishy feel, which was so fun. They had this really fun house that the kids all loved. So the kids were playing with the teepee of sticks. And then they were pretending they had a little store and people would come to visit them. And again, you can see this is the area that we already were in. There's this really great little like place where you could have food, bring a lunch in. I mean, I think that would be really fun to have like a lunch with the kids. You can see they can open and shut doors. They can play around. There was also quite a few spaces where they had those garden libraries, where take a book, give a book kind of thing, which I thought would be so cool. Like, if it was calm and the girls would sit, you can see there's one of those. You can go and get a book and sit around in the beautiful park and read and just kind of enjoy nature, enjoy this beautiful space. One of the things I love too is they left a lot of mature trees. So you can see that there's lots of shade, so the kids aren't stuck in all the sun, or the parents, I should say, are not stuck in the sun. We spent probably 45 minutes to an hour there, and it was fun, and see, we went and sat over there and relaxed, and then just really enjoyed taking the time to look at the flowers. The kids saw a ton of butterflies. Just such a beautiful addition to where you can take your kids here in Milwaukee. So I really enjoyed that. Well, again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got a ton more adventures coming soon. And then go and visit our website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com, and go ahead and like this video and comment. Again, I will put the address to this location down below so that you can take a look and visit this with your children as well. It was very photogenic, so bring your cameras, do your kids' hair, put them in cute outfits, and enjoy the day. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.